My own journey of motherhood that transformed me inside out. That was the time when I said, I want to create a community where every woman is cherished for becoming a mother. With the word, I have gotten 10 pregnant women under one roof to actually understand that how every pregnancy is unique. आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि माँ बनना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है। जब मैं खुद माँ बनी थी तो मुझे समझ में आया it is one of the greatest transformations in a woman's life. A child doesn't need a perfect mother. He or she needs a happy mother. So find your happiness. My happiness is in my work.
Most annoying advice people gave you.
ठीक है ना, अगर वजन बढ़ गया तो क्या है, अब तो माँ बन गई ना, कौन सा तुझे वापस मॉडलिंग करने जाना है. When you're becoming a mother, you are literally embracing the goddess within you. Know your power.
I saw the clip of the word. I want to tell you that this is something different, you know. मैंने आज तक ऐसा शो नहीं देखा जो 10 दिन में रह के आपने जो वुमेन के साथ बात करी है, बहुत अंदर तक बात करी है, जो चीज़ें लोग नहीं बात करते हैं. आई रियली वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू, दिस शो शोज अस कि इमोशंस दिखाता है, एक तरफ पेन दिखा रहा है, सिचुएशंस दिखा रहा है. व्हाट क्लिक्ड यू टू से येस टू दिस प्रोजेक्ट?
My own journey of motherhood, because that transformed me inside out. And that was the time when I said, I want to create a community where every woman is cherished for becoming a mother. आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि माँ बनना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. जब मैं खुद माँ बनी थी तो मुझे समझ में आया it is one of the greatest transformations in a woman's life. And if not supported well, it can create a havoc. And we've seen it. We've seen it with so many women around us who lose their identity after becoming a mother, who lose their selves after becoming a mother, who lose homes after becoming a mother. And I wanted to really connect in some or the other way that would help me normalize or talk about this phase. And when this show came up, I was like, oh my God, I was actually manifesting it.
Right?
Yeah, and it just happened. And I didn't even take a second to say yes.
बिकॉज समहाउ ना हम ना आपको देख रहे थे थ्रू योर डिजिटल प्रेजेंस ऑन योर चैनल्स, ऑन योर मॉम्स के बारे में कई सारी बातें, एंड विच वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड मेरे दिमाग में एक ही चीज़ क्लिक किया, देयर ऑल्सो यू आर टॉकिंग समथिंग, बट दिस इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज यू आर एक्चुअली इंटरेक्टिंग विद द रियल वुमेन्स. सो पीपल कैन गॉट कन्फ्यूज कि ये तो सेम है, but I really want to tell them that ki this is different because here you're interacting directly to the girls, women.
Yes.
So yeah.
So with my show, किसी ने बताया नहीं. I was talking and touching upon the subjects which I realized and which I got evolved and got apprised during the journey of my pregnancy. With the word, I have gotten 10 pregnant women under one roof to actually understand that how every pregnancy is unique. And to have people who have never faced camera, they come and they forget about facing cameras. They have never stepped out of their homes. There are women who have taken flights for the first time. There are women who have come out of घूंघट for the first time. ऐसी औरतें आई हैं और वो एक साथ एक छत के नीचे रही हैं under our guidance, and they have shared their life, they have shared their experience and emotion. What a privilege it is. What a great blessing it is to host such community of women who show power, who show divinity through the process of becoming a mother. So I say that it's a beautiful journey, and as you said, it is the most unique concept I have ever heard. Now that we've filmed it, and now when we are watching that how the show has shaped, oh my God, we are in absolute awe ourselves.
Yeah. But you know, you have portrayed a characters of boss lady, and we know Rubina as a boss lady. But after becoming a mother, did that thought came to your bhai, मैं इतनी भी strong नहीं थी? Did that moment came in your mind?
I got this title of boss lady, but I've been able to live that title now. Every woman who goes through pregnancy and motherhood is actually a boss lady. because the kind of courage, the kind of valor that you have to, you don't have to, it automatically comes because now you are a protector, and now you will do anything to protect your child. Now you will do anything for your child. So you actually become a boss. You become a boss of your own life. You become, and boss not in a negative way. The boss is like, you experience that authority, you experience that expansion in your own life, that मेरी life अब इतनी बड़ी हो गई है क्योंकि मुझे एक और लाइफ या दो और लाइव्स अपने साथ एम्ब्रेस करनी है. सो यू एक्चुअली बिकम अ बॉस लेडी. तो वो जो टाइटल था वो अब जाकर मैं जी रही हूँ. नाउ आई एम एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट इन माई लाइफ, एंड दैट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज.
So true. Hats off to you, ladies. But really, I want to ask you one thing here. You know, motherhood can be exhausting as well, right?
It is.
It is. But at the same moment, how do you deal with yourself? How do you make sure that कि मुझे self pamper भी करना है अपने आप को? Self love के लिए time कैसे निकाल रहे हो?
See, Jaya, that's the only intention of me coming out and speaking in public about the struggles and challenges. So when I say struggles and challenges, it doesn't really mean कि जब आप pregnant हैं तो पैर सूजे हैं, कमर दर्द हो रही है. मैं उन चीज़ों के बारे में बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm talking about self-worth. I'm talking about how nature takes over and says, boss, you are going to be sitting at one place and taking care of the life. How much ever workaholic you were, how much ever passionate you were about dancing, singing, going out, building a business, this, that, everything, I will take it away because you have to focus right now on your own self. And that taking something away from you which you really loved for all your life is the greatest struggle that you have to deal with. And then you don't understand what's happening with your body, and then you don't understand what's happening between you and your husband, and you don't understand what's happening with you and your family around, because you are becoming a different person, and that transition shakes you up. Because जो आप अभी तक बन चुके थे, जो आपका एक माइंडसेट था, सब कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. So that is the kind of challenge that I'm talking about, that it is your identity that you rebuild, and it's not an easy thing. And that's why I want to come forward and I want to speak. I want to bring women together who are going through the same challenges to normalize such conversation. How many interviews have you done that you have sat across a mother and who has spoken about her challenges or her way of shifting or rebuilding her identity? Hardly one or two? Maybe? Because we have never normalized these conversations. Because you don't celebrate. You don't interview a mother saying कि आपके क्या हाल है. क्योंकि माँ बनना कौन सी बड़ी बात है, हम तो सभी ये बोलते हैं. बट what we are trying to tell you here is, ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. आपकी माँ नहीं होती, आप नहीं होते. आपकी माँ स्वस्थ और मानसिक रूप से ठीक नहीं होती तो आपका परिवार बिखर चुका होता. और बहुत सारी फैमिलीज़ में ऐसा होता है. क्योंकि एक औरत जन्म देती है, बेचारी, वो खाया उसने नहीं खाया, अच्छा खाया, पौष्टिक खाया नहीं खाया तो बहुत दूर की बात है. वो सिर्फ अपना काम कर रही है क्योंकि उसे घर भी चलाना है, घर वालों के लिए खाना भी बनाना है, घर वालों के कपड़े भी धोने हैं, कोई और बच्चा अगर कोई स्कूल जा रहा है उसका ध्यान रखना, होमवर्क भी करवाना है. उसके लिए खुद के लिए वक्त नहीं है. और अगर वो वक्त नहीं है, दैट्स अ फेलियर ऑफ आवर फैमिली सिस्टम्स, दैट्स अ फेलियर ऑफ आवर सोसाइटी, एंड वी हैव नॉर्मलाइज्ड इट. बिकॉज पेट्रियार्की सेड, क्योंकि एक मर्द बाहर काम पर जाता है तो ही इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट गाय, और ही इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट member of the family because he's earning the bread and butter. But we forgot the woman who is running the entire show from behind and is actually, from an emotional perspective to a psychological perspective to a physiological perspective, is going through so much, is not even talked about.
So true. So beautifully you have explained it, Romina. I think this is still going on, I feel.
It is going on. It is going to take time. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ that we are creating something. Oh my God, कल दिन को पूरी दुनिया बदल जाएगी.
Taking a step ahead is a big thing, I guess.
Yes. We are identifying that this evolution, yes, it has been there in the nature. We are only focusing. We are just shifting the lights and telling this is the most important part.
Absolutely, we're talking about it and it's a big thing, I guess, today. But Romina, society एक pressure बना देती है. Pregnant women को उन देखने का तरीका ही अलग है. But as a celebrity, I really want to ask you, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें आपके around भी हुई थी, आपके during प्रेगनेंसी के कि सोसाइटी हैज़ अ वे टू लुक आफ्टर प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन. दे थिंक कि यार आप अभी कहीं बाहर नहीं जा सकते, अभी आप घूमने नहीं जा सकते, आप घर पे रहो, ये नहीं खा सकते, वो नहीं खा सकते. फन, देयर टू मेनी थिंग्स अराउंड यू. यू आर सेलिब्रिटी. आपके अगेंस्ट अगेन भी कुछ हुई थी?
See, यार celebrity में I as in a public figure, but I am a wife and I am a daughter and I'm a bahu at home. That never changes and that will never change and that should never change. So I was pampered also, I was restricted also, I was told also. I was given all the ज्ञान left right center. Of course in a good way, क्योंकि वो मेरा भला ही चाहते हैं और बहुत रिश्तेदारों ने नहीं बट बहुत सारे लोगों ने इस चीज़ से भी डराया, अरे यार संभल के चलना, इतना काम करना ज़रूरी नहीं है, आयु मतलब इतनी भी क्या मजबूरी होगी है कि काम अभी भी करना पड़ रहा है. आई एम वॉन्टिंग टू टेल देम कि इतनी भी कोई बीमारी नहीं है कि मैं एक जगह बैठी रहूँ. एंड इफ़ आई एम नॉट एक्टिव I will keep myself into a sedentary lifestyle which will subconsciously seep into my children as well. I want to remain lively, I want to remain active, I want to pursue what I genuinely love and like, because that's what I am teaching my children consciously or unconsciously. That's my way of finding joy. And believe me, Jaya, a child doesn't need a perfect mother. He or she needs a happy mother. So find your happiness. My happiness is in my work. I'm very clear. So I step out. मैं काम करके घर वापस आती हूँ, मैं बहुत संतुष्ट होती हूँ और जब मैं संतुष्ट होती हूँ मैं वो जॉय और वो हैप्पीनेस घर लेकर आती हूँ. And that's what my daughters experience. They want my time, my presence, but that has to be quality. अगर मैं घर बैठ के सिर्फ यही आई एम ऑलवेज कॉन्स्टेंटली क्रिबिंग, मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ वो हो गया, मेरी कोई नहीं सुनता, मैं ये नहीं कर पाती, मैं वो नहीं कर पाती, मेरे बच्चे वही देखेंगे, मेरे बच्चे वही बड़े होकर वैसा ही एटमॉस्फेयर अपने लिए अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. बिकॉज द फर्स्ट स्कूल इज़ योर मदर एंड आई वॉन्ट टू टीच माई डॉटर्स that whatever joy you experience, you spill it in others' lives as well. So fill your cup with so much of joy that you are able to share it, rather than emptying your cup and saying, "Hi, मेरे पास तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं." And that's the entire intention of educating women in a very different way. Sacrifice करो, उतना करो जितना खुद आपके लिए joy आए.
But you took a decision of raising a child at your home, at your house, at your Himachal. Did that brought a difficult situation in your around because social media में अलग बातें चल रही थी? How did you respond to those things?
I never looked at what they were talking. Me and Abhinav, we are at the same page. We want a home for them which has a good AQI,
It's important.
which is deeply rooted in nature, which is away from all the pollution, and that is the best that we can provide our children. बच्चे अपनी किस्मत लेकर आते हैं, आप क्या दे सकते हो उन्हें? आप उन्हें अच्छा खुशहाल माहौल दे सकते हो, बाकी कुछ नहीं दे सकते हो. और अगर वो देखा जाए बिटवीन मुंबई, लुधियाना एंड हिमाचल, तो हिमाचल का थोड़ा पलड़ा भारी है क्योंकि हम गांव में रहते हैं. गांव में अभी भी वो शुद्धता है, गाय भैंसे घी दूध सब है हमारा. मम्मी किचन गार्डनिंग करती है, हमारे खुद का फल आहार वगैरह खुद हम उगाते हैं. वाई नॉट? एंड इफ मी एंड अभिनव वी आर ऑन द सेम पेज,
I don't care.
दुनिया क्या कहती है अपने को क्या?
True.
They are not bringing food on our table. They are not coming and taking care of my daughters. We are taking care of our daughters and we are making sure that they get the best of their environment. And it is between us how we decide that. And for him, being a man, if he can keep his male ego aside and come to my home for his daughters, that is the biggest service that he's doing as a father. And when that my daughters look up for, that's exactly what they would want in their man as well. Because subconsciously, we always attract a man that our father was someone like.
So true, so true.
So I am extremely happy that he's able to become a father that tomorrow my daughters will subconsciously attract a man like him. What a great blessing it is. Why not?
Love it. Now we have a quick segment, Mommy Confession Corner.
अच्छा जी, अच्छा जी.
We'll do it briefly. Diaper duty, you or Abhinav?
Abhinav,
Oh,
he has done it with a lot of joy.
wow. Last thing you cried about?
I just cried about मेरे 2 किलो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे, जा ही नहीं रहे. परसों ही रो रही थी मैं.
Wow. Most difficult pregnancy craving?
Yeah, difficult तो नहीं, but I think in my 3rd trimester I started eating a lot of cakes, sponge cakes. Sponge cake पता नहीं क्यों मुझे अत्यंत ही पसंद आए, बहुत पसंद आए.
Most annoying advice people gave you?
ठीक है ना, अगर वजन बढ़ गया तो क्या है, अब तो माँ बन गई ना, कौन सा तुझे वापस मॉडलिंग करने जाना है.
Baby sleep schedule is equals to myth or reality?
No, it's a reality. उनका sleeping schedule has to be on time. मैं अगर 1 बजे 1 से 4 मेरी बेटियां अगर सो रही हैं, I will turn off the bells also, ताकि कोई मतलब वो पार्सल वाला भी आकर घंटी ना बजाए, because that's important. Their sleeping schedule is. If 9 o'clock it is the bedtime, all the lights in the house are off because it is their bedtime. And it's very important, and I think every parent should follow it, should not ignore it.
One thing no one tells new moms?
That becoming a mother is 80% of struggle and 20% of glamour.
Wow. First thing you Googled after becoming a mom?
What is the probability of having a son or a daughter or both daughters or both sons with a twin pregnancy? तो जब मुझे पता चला कि twin pregnancy है, तो I personally I looked up for कि probability क्या होती है, जो कि आंसर बड़ा ambiguous था, तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
But twin journey is amazing, I must say this, because Jiva Ida is gonna embarrass it in a very beautiful way, because I'm a twin and I know.
Really? You're a twin?
Yeah,
Achha.
my sister's name is Jayanti, my name is Jaya, and we're twin. Just 10 minutes ka gap hai. I can really vouch on it. They're gonna
Really?
love this journey.
Really?
Really.
So you are like best friends?
We are like best friends. We are like, we discuss each and everything. Legitimately, right?
Wow.
My best friend is only she and no one else. I
Really?
can't count anyone else as a best friend.
I am
And
happy to know that.
Yeah, and I can't say that कि यार मैं उसका wait करूँगी या कोई आएगा मेरे life में. I have my sister. I want no
Really?
one else in my life.
How nice. Chalo, this is the best thing that you've told me.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah. The funniest thing Avinash does as a dad?
He makes them learn some really weird words. एक अभी हाल फिलहाल जमूरा सिखाया है. और जब वो एकदम ऐसे तुतलाते हुए जमूरा बोलती, बहुत ही अच्छा बोलती है, तो ही कीप्स गिविंग देम वेरी डिफरेंट वर्ड्स that they try and copy him saying it, and they come out so cute. But I always tell him, why are you teaching them such funny, useless words? But he says, it's fun. मैंने कहा, okay, enjoy it.
Nice. Biggest parenting panic moment till now?
दूध देना चाहिए कि नहीं. So it was like, अब क्या करें? बहुत सारे ऐसे moments रहे हैं, but I think milk has been one of.
Okay. What's more difficulty, pregnancy or postpartum?
Postpartum, hands down.
You have gone through it?
Oh, of course, I have gone through it. I think ये मई का महीना है ना?
जी. November.
February तक, November, December, January, February, 4 months were the most difficult months for me. And I've had the excruciating self-sabotaging period of my life. Those 4 months, I have literally hit the rock bottom. That bad. So postpartum, मुझे ऐसा लगता था I am strong. I have, मतलब I can create a mindset. I can meditate on things. Postpartum spares no one, and it is like you don't want to be in that space. It is the shittiest space, and I have come out of it. I was able to recognize that for myself because I had counseling and therapy. और मुझे specifically मेरे काउंसलर ने, उन्होंने बहुत पहले कह दिया था, watch out for 6th month, 9th month, 12th and the second year, 24th month. You will feel the spikes and you will understand the postpartum hitting you in different ways. तो वो मुझे अवेयरनेस थी एंड आई कुड डिडक्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ कि यार ओ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू इट. इट्स मतलब डिप्रेशन भी उसके आगे कुछ नहीं है, वो इतना ख़राब है.
Hats off to you, ma'am. One advice would you give to first-time moms in one sentence?
When you're becoming a mother, you are literally embracing the goddess within you. Know your power.
Okay, the last one. Complete this line. After becoming a mother, I finally understood.
That I am a goddess.
Wow. Thank you, Rubina, for talking to me. All the best. You're going to Khatro also. All the best. You rock it there. I know you will rock it like a boss lady. Thank you so much for talking to me. It was such a lovely conversation. with
And
you,
that was so great to know that you have a twin sister.
Yeah. I know. I'm going to meet them. Zivanida, I'll tell them this as well.
Yes, yes.
Thank you
should.
so much for talking to
Thank
me. It was
you.
such a lovely conversation.
Thank you,
Rubina.
Jaya.